Hi family, hi friends. So this is our first harvest of the year. I'm harvesting vegetable, huckleberry, njama-njama, however you want to call it. So this is our first harvest, and I thought that it would be wise or nice for me to share with you. So like you can see, I already harvested one side of the bed. Okay, I harvested this side, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to harvest, how I'm doing it. So I came with a knife because a friend told me that it's better to harvest it with a knife or a scissors or something like that. But since I'm not used to doing it, it's so difficult, and I'm going to drop the knife, okay, and just use my hands to do the job. And guys, again, I'm encouraging you to, step out of your comfort zone. The garden will never disappoint. Look at what I got so far from. This is what I got so far from just this side. You can already make a pot of food, okay? And just for your information, this vegetable has no fertilizer whatsoever, okay? No fertilizer. All I used was soil, and I bought some organic soil too from the store, and that is what we have. And you can see our vegetable is doing so well. This bed where we are harvesting now, there's no bought soil, like no organic soil, no topsoil on it. It's just the soil itself, like the original soil. You see that the vegetables it still did well. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much. Please just watch me harvest. I'm so excited that I'm having a great harvest. I don't know if you're seeing, but let me try to tilt the camera a little bit. Whoops. So it's our first harvest. It's been raining so well, like really good. So that's why the garden is doing fantastic. And you guys, if you've been following me, you know that my harvesting rule is to clean as you go, right? I just take out the weed as I go, so that the garden will stay clean, the beds will stay clean, and the plants can do well. Okay. So I'll just go ahead and harvest the rest of the vegetable, guys. I have a video where I explained and showed detailedly how to harvest huckleberry and Njama-njama. I have a detailed video. Please check it out. I'm going to link it down in the description box so that you can watch that video. I don't want to bother you with so much explanation on how to harvest Njama-njama again, because I already uploaded a video on that. Like as you can see, I am very comfortable. I'm more comfortable harvesting with my hands without a knife. That way I can also just take out the weed at the same time without any restriction, That's what I'm doing. That's the rule for me, guys. I clean as I harvest. Makes the garden stay really clean. That way I don't have to schedule a date to come and clean the garden, come and weed, take out the weed. Just do it at once during harvest. Okay. Take out the weed. This is the first harvest of the year. So it is believed that this first Njama-njama harvest, how can I say, cleans your digestive system, let me say it that way. It will make you go to the bathroom so much. But personally, I usually don't experience it. Maybe because I don't put fertilizer in my vegetable. But if that's the case with you guys, please let me know in the comment section below. People say that I don't know how to do it because I never experienced it. Okay, look at how fresh our vegetable is looking, guys. Look at that. It is so fresh. Like, why won't you plant? Why won't you cultivate your own vegetable? Huh? Why? Guys, please, I'm encouraging you. If you are not doing it yet, step out and do it. Like you see, this coming from this little space. I'm just going to stay quiet and let you enjoy the harvest. Okay, keep watching and enjoy me harvest. Right now we are going to go to this second bed and bring it down. Yes, I said bring it down. Yeah, we are going to bring it down. Let's bring this one down. Let's bring it down. Time to go down, 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 down. Okay, guys. All right, people. Let's get it done. Actually, let me show you what I've done before we harvest the second one, because look, I want you to know that it's no joke. It's no joke. Gardening is no joke. You will always have food. Look at that.